Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CompTIA 601. Lesson 03, Architecture and Design. In this lesson, we will discuss the architecture and design principles that are essential for creating a secure computing environment. 1. Security principles. Least privilege, providing users with the minimum level of access necessary to perform their tasks. Defense in depth, implementing multiple layers of security controls to protect against various types of attacks. Fail-safe defaults, ensuring that systems are secure by default and require explicit actions to change security settings. Separation of duties, assigning different tasks to different individuals to prevent any single person from having complete control. 2. Security models. Bell LaPadula model, a model that enforces confidentiality by defining rules for how information can be accessed and shared. BIBA model, a model that enforces integrity by defining rules for how information can be modified and accessed. Clark-Wilson model, a model that enforces integrity through the use of well-formed transactions and separation of duties. 3. Secure network design. Segmentation, dividing a network into smaller segments to reduce the impact of a potential security breach. DMZ, demilitarized zone, a network segment that sits between the internal network and an external network, such as the Internet, to provide an additional layer of security. Virtual private network, VPN, a technology that allows secure communication over a public network by encrypting data transmitted between two endpoints. 4. Secure System Development Life Cycle, SDLC. Planning, identifying security requirements and risks. Development, writing secure code and implementing security controls. Testing, conducting security testing, such as penetration testing and code reviews. Deployment, deploying the system in a secure manner. Maintenance, regularly updating and patching the system to address security vulnerabilities. By following these architecture and design principles, organizations can create a secure computing environment that protects against a wide range of threats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.